In this video we can see that regarding REST template in a Spring Boot application. So now we can add here one REST template, auto REST template, autowire and reference here, and now restart the application. Now we can see here one error, REST template that could not be found. This error occur because of when application start, then REST template bin is not not available in a Spring container. So Spring application start with default properties, so that bins is not found, means not references there. So first what do here, we create one configuration file and mark with configuration annotation and create one method, and that should return REST template entity. Create REST template, return new REST template. So that REST template need to load in a Spring container. So for that @bin annotation, it will help to create a bin of the REST template in a Spring container. So when it's available in Spring container, loads in a Spring container, then we can references using a autowire annotations. So now we start the application. Now see it's working or not. So basically that's work, and main purpose of that, we need to create a bin method. So using that, it's load in a Spring container, and anywhere in application we can references using autowire. So we can using REST template we can communicate. Main purpose of REST template is we communicate one application services, Spring services, Spring module services, and other third-party services we can communicate. So that's it.